राहुल गांधी जी, श्री राहुल गांधी।
First, let them go back.
No, sir, this is not fair, sir.
कोई रिकॉर्ड में nothing is going to record except राहुल जी.
Nothing is going to go on record.
राहुल जी.
राहुल गांधी जी. Nothing has gone into the record.
बैठाइए उनको, बैठाइए उनको.
Nothing has gone into the record. You speak. You speak.
राहुल जी.
राहुल जी.
राहुल जी.
राहुल जी. You speak, sir. Let him speak.
बैठाइए उनको, बैठाइए.
You please take your seat. Please take your seat. Let him
Speaker,
speak.
sir.
You please take your seat. Let him speak. You please take your
Speaker,
seat.
sir. Speaker,
You
sir.
speak.
There has been a tragedy in Wayanad. I am absolutely amazed that they are not allowing us to give a statement on this. Speaker, sir, thank you for
You have
permitting
given a
me.
notice on why not. Speak only on why not.
I'm speaking on Wayanad.
Okay, please. No, you please sit down. You please sit down.
What is your problem?
No, you please sit down.
Don't do that.
Rahul ji, you speak.
कैसी बॉडी लैंग्वेज थी सर? ये कैसी बॉडी लैंग्वेज थी? ये मंत्री की
Rahul ji, you speak.
से बात करिए मंत्री जी. आप सभ्यता से बात करिए. आप सभ्यता से बात करिए. शालीनता से बात करिए.
Rahul ji. You speak.
आप शालीनता से बात करिए मंत्री जी.
Speaker, sir, thank you for permitting me to raise this issue of the tragedy in Wayanad. I visited Wayanad with my sister some days back, and I saw with my own eyes the devastation, the pain and suffering that resulted from this tragedy.